Hi, all of my viewers. Today we will do a quiz of topic fraction. Hope you would like this quiz and be able to answer all the questions. There are 25 questions in this quiz, so good luck. The quiz is starting now. Question 1 is, what is the fractional number for the shaded portion in the figure? Options are A 1 upon 5, B 6 upon 8, C 5 upon 8, D 3 upon 8. So you must choose the option and then we will see the answer. So now let's check the answer. The answer is option D 3 upon 8. So now I will explain what type you could do. So you have the answer. So in these types of questions we count all the parts and write them as denominator and then count the shaded part and write them as numerator. Now let's move to another question. Question 2. 1 upon 8, 2 upon 8, 5 upon 8 are dash. Means you have to tell what is the type of fractions. Are these example of? Options are A like fraction, B unlike fraction, C equivalent fraction, D none of these. So now let's see what is the answer of this question. The answer is option A like fraction, means the example was the like fractions. Now let's move to another question. Question number 3. 1 upon 5, 6 upon 9, 3 upon 8 are dash fractions. Options are A like fraction, B equivalent fraction, C improper fraction, D unlike fraction. So now let's check the answer. What is the answer of question number 3? The answer is option D unlike fraction. Now let's see what is the another question. Question number 4. 5 upon 6, 9 upon 15, 10 upon 18 are dash fraction. Means what type of fraction they are. Options are A improper, B proper, C mixed, D unit. Now you must tell what is the type of fractions. Are these example? So now let's see what is the answer. If you want more time, pause the video and then solve this question. Then on it and see what is the answer. Now the answer is option B proper fraction. Now let's move to another question. Question number 5. A fraction whose numerator is 1 is called a dash fraction. Means what type of fraction is if its numerator is 1. Options are A unit fraction, B mixed fraction, C unlike fraction, D equivalent fraction. So now let's check what is the answer of this question. The answer is option A unit fraction. Now let's move to another question. Now the question number 6. 8 upon 3, 8 upon 7, 5 upon 2 are what type of fraction? Options are A mixed fraction, B unit fraction, C improper fraction, D equivalent fraction. Now what is the answer of the question? Let's check. The answer is option C improper fraction. Now let's move to another question. Question number 7. Mixed fraction is changed in. Options are A whole number, B proper fraction, C improper fraction, D all of these. Now you must choose the option and then see the answer. So let's check the answer. What is the answer of this question? The answer is option C improper fraction. Now let's check what. Now let's see what is the question number 8. 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 8 are improper fraction, like fraction, both A and B, equivalent fraction. Now you must choose what is the option and then we'll see the answer. The answer is option D equivalent fraction. Now let's move to another question. Question number 9. 2 whole 5 upon 6, 5 whole 2 upon 9, 9 whole 10 upon 16 are some of the dash. Options are A mixed fraction, B unlike fraction, C like fraction, D equivalent fraction. Now see what is the answer of this question. The answer is option A mixed fraction. Now let's move to the 10th question. Question number 10. Change 11 into 5 into a mixed fraction. Options are A 4 upon 3, B 2 whole 1 upon 5, C 2 whole 2 upon 5, D 3 whole 9 upon 10. So there is a hint. 11 upon 5 is an improper fraction, and option A 4 upon 3 is also an improper fraction, so you must choose option B, C or D is correct. Now let's see what is the answer. The answer is option B, 2 whole 1 upon 5. Now let's move to another question. Question number 11. Change 11 upon 5 into a mixed fraction. Options are A 12 upon 15, B 2 whole 1 upon 5, C 2 whole 2 upon 5, D 31 upon 9. Now let's see what is the answer of this question. The answer is 2 whole 1 upon 5. Now let's see what is the next question. Question number 12. Are 2 upon 3 and 8 upon 12 are equivalent fraction? Options are A yes, B no, C both A and B, D none of these. Now let's check what is the answer of this question. The answer is option A yes. Now let's move to another question. Question number 13. What are the next two equivalent fraction of 3 upon 4? Options are A 6 upon 8 and 9 upon 15, B 7 upon 8 and 8 upon 9, C 6 upon 8 and 9 upon 12, D none of these. So now let's check what is the answer. The answer is option C, 6 upon 8 and 9 upon 12. Now let's see what is the question number 4. Which is question number 14. Which is the greatest, 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5 or 7 upon 5? Options are A 1 upon 5, B 7 upon 5, C 2 upon 5, D none of these. Now let's check what is the answer. Answer is option B 7 upon 5. So let's move to another question. Question number 15. Which is smaller, 2 upon 7 or 3 upon 5? Options are A 2 upon 7, B 3 upon 5, C 4 upon 7, D none of these. Now let's check what is the answer of this question. Answer is B 3 upon 5. Now let's check what is the question number 16. 2 whole 3 upon 7 plus 11 upon 15. So you have to find the sum of the two fractions. Options are A 3 whole 3 upon 14, B 4 whole 9 upon 8, C 5 whole 6 upon 8, D none of these. Now let's check what is the answer of this question number 16. The answer is option A 3 whole 3 upon 14. Now let's see what is the question number 17. 7 whole 4 upon 9 plus 3 whole 5 upon 12. So in this question, this question is like question number 16, but in this question you have to make the sum of two mixed fractions. Now let's see what is the options. Option A 9 whole 42 upon 46, B 5 whole 32 upon 16, C 10 whole 31 upon 36, D 5 whole 52 upon 93. Now let's check what is the question number 18. The answer of question number 17 is option C 10 whole 31 upon 36. Now let's check what is the question number 18. 7 whole 3 upon 14 minus 3 whole 3 upon 14. So now you have to check what is the difference of these two mixed fractions. Options are A 145 upon 36, B 90 upon 100, C 502 upon 36, D all of the above. So now let's check what is the answer of this question. The answer is option A 145 upon 36. Now let's check question number 19. What is the product if we multiply 1 upon 3 to 1 upon 20? Now options are A 1 upon 20, B 1 upon 50, C 1 upon 60, D 1 upon 40. Now let's check what is the answer of this question. 9. Option C 1 upon 60 is the answer of question number 19. Now let's check what is the question number 22. Question number 20. Which of the following figures represent 5 upon 12 of a whole? So here are some pictures. Option A 4 upon 12, B 5 upon 12, C 6 upon 12, D 1 upon 12. Now you must choose the option and then we'll see the answer. So let's check the answer. So the right answer of this question is B, not A. So let's move to the next question. 21. Question number 21 is simplify 5 upon 9 minus 6 upon 9 plus 5 upon 9. Options are A 6 upon 9, B 5 upon 9, C 2 upon 9, D 6 upon 4. Now let's check what is the answer of this question. The answer is option A 6 upon 9. The next question is question number 22. What is the reciprocal of 2 upon 11? Options are A 15 upon 2, B 11 upon 2, C 12 upon 15, D none of these. So the reciprocal is also known as multiplicative inverse. So now let's check what is the answer of this question. Answer is B 11 upon 2. Now let's see what is the question number 23. How many 1/4 are there in 2? Options are A 4, B 8, C 5, D 10. Now you must choose the option. So let's check what is the answer of this question. The answer is option B 8. The next question is question number 24. How many 4/5 are there in 20? Options are A 26, B 28, C 25, D 19. So you must choose the option, then we'll see the answer. The answer is option A 25. So let's see what is the question number 25 and the last question also. Convert the following fraction into decimal. 69 upon 10. So options are 69, B 6.9, C 0.069, D 0.69. Now let's see what is the answer of this question. The answer is option B 6.9.